Hi everyone, Melissa here. Coming on today with day 3 of the sneaky peeks for my Creative Times 141st edition release. I'm telling you, I love this release. I created so many projects and they are just adorable. You're gonna love it. Okay, so starting out, we have the umbrella dies. You'll get 8 in this pack. This also comes with a set of stamps. And it's a little big. I do have to say it's a little big, but the projects I created, I just love them. I absolutely adore them. And then it also comes with a set of stamps, and you can go ahead and read those right there. Love this set. And then break out those gingers. Let's jump into the next one. So we have the Ginger Reindeer 1 and 2. So these are just adorable. I love these. They're just too cute. Wait till you see the projects. Also, while I'm talking, you won't see all of my projects because some projects I made for tomorrow. So normally I just re-show everything that I've created throughout the week, but not this time. I actually made new projects for tomorrow. So come back and make sure you check out the projects that I have for the day of the release. When I say it's a finale, it's a finale. I love the projects. Anyways, so Reindeer number 1, and these are for the smaller ones. And this is just what I have, just to let me know which one goes with which. On your outfits, one side is slightly bigger than the other side, so depending upon which way the ginger is leaning, the bigger side will go with the lean of the ginger. And you'll see how it is when you get yours. All right, but love both of those. There goes the other set. They both have the same amount in each set, except for the one is just smaller, but I love them. And then also I am using, from the first day of the release, I'm using the tiny flowers, as well as, I'm not sure, no, I didn't use any of the leaves, but just the tiny flowers. And then I also used the pretty watercolor papers. I almost used the whole pack of this. If you'd like to see the whole thing, go back to day 1, and that's where I show all the papers in detail. All right, so for the most part, I used this here. Some of the gray, I think, as well as the pink, both of those. And I also used this one here. Okay. And then from some of her previous releases, I used quite a bit. So I don't want to take up your time. I'm just going to show you really quick. So Spring Solids 2024, I just used that yellow. These are the faces from the small and medium ginger faces. I used this one, and this one. Take that back. I use this one and this one. Then I also used the 3.75 by 4.75 card dies. I used some of those from there. Pulled out the wavy regular tag dies. Used this one here, as well as the layering piece for that there. Small flowers, I used, I want to say the big one and the small one, and maybe this one here. And then for the ginger bow dies, I used the medium sized one there. The pretty butterfly dies, I just used this here as a part of the ginger hair. And that idea was from one of my design team sisters. I can't remember the name of the person who actually did it, but one of the design team sisters used that as hair in her projects, and I thought it was adorable. So that was inspired by her. And then I also used the cloud dies, and then Sweet Ginger Companion, as well as actually I just used the Sweet Ginger Companion, not this one today. And then I also used the Boy and the Girl Ginger dies. I used a couple of these tags, as well as the circle for sun on one of my projects. And then I also used this again, and I used it as a treat bag holder or topper for an embellishment. And I got that from one of my design team sisters as well. I want to say Melissa Carroll actually did that. I didn't mention that yesterday, but I want to give her props. I got that from Melissa Carroll, I think it was. And then I also used the rain background die. All right, and these are the adorable projects that I used today. And so starting out, here goes that little tag that I made using that wavy tag die and its layers. And doesn't she look adorable? I love her little outfit. It is a reindeer outfit, but I almost made her look like she was going to church on a Sunday morning. But she's just too cute. And these little pull tabs are her, like a little string that would come down from her reindeer. I don't know how to explain it, but you know, you can see it there. Just too cute. I did color her up with tea-dye distress ink and added little freckles and the white gel pen, and I did use that little tiny flowers on there. Just too cute. And that paper is just adorable on there. Love it, love it, love it. So that's the tag that I made. And then this little reindeer person here. Now what I did for him, I made him two-tone, as well as this one. This one's well, no, it's not quite two-tone, but I made the hat two-tone. And I just snipped right where the line was and just layered that up. These little pockets, I actually used those pockets from the top of the shoes that are in the little small reindeer die, the Ginger 1 reindeer die. I use those for pockets there. Just adorable. He is just too cute. And then there goes the clouds and the sun and the reindeer background. I didn't finish the inside, but I will. And there goes that paper that I used for just flowers down below. Just adorable. This is a 3.75 by 4.75 card die base there. And so he's adorable. And then that umbrella, like I said, it's adorable. Makes beautiful embellishments. Wait till you see what I made tomorrow. Anyways, make beautiful embellishments. And I did that the same way that I did yesterday. I just made it so you can just actually pull that out of there, and it's on removable tape so that person can get it out of there. And it says, "Take time to dance in the rain." And that was from the stamp set that comes with it, as well as the hello. These are the tiny tags from the little tag dies and the small flower dies that I used there, along with that fun size bow or small size bow. Adorable. I love it, love it, love it. Just too pretty. Love that. And so these are the projects that I made for you today for your inspiration. I love this release. It's so cute. And if you'd like to go ahead and use my code MOE for 15% off your purchase tomorrow, you may, or use any of the designers. It's totally up to you. And that's all I have for you. Make sure you come back tomorrow. I'm telling you, you're not going to want to miss what I have for you tomorrow. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.